Let's look at a Medicaid asset preservation strategy for a couple. In this case, the couple has an $800,000 estate. Their house is worth $400,000. They've got countable assets of $400,000. Remember, the house is exempt. It doesn't count. The sick spouse in this case is in a skilled nursing facility, so they qualify for the higher community spousal resource allowance of $154,000. But they're still over-resourced by $245 some odd thousand dollars. What are they going to do? Most people will tell them to spend their money. An elder law attorney who knows Medicaid asset preservation strategies will say, take that extra money, buy a Medicaid compliant annuity. It's a single premium immediate annuity. It's got all sorts of rules attached to it. So it is not the normal annuity. You work with an elder law attorney to make sure you get it right. Otherwise, this strategy doesn't work. So you buy the Medicaid compliant annuity, and all of that money that went into the annuity is going to come back to the community spouse, the well spouse. In Washington State, our term of the annuity has to be 60 months or life expectancy, whichever is shorter. In this case, we're saying it's 60 months. So the result is that by buying the annuity, by buying the annuity, this couple gets to keep all of their money, no spend down. It may say that the couple in the rules can only have $154,000, but they can have $154,000 plus $245,000 in an annuity. So that is a very powerful tool, and I want to make sure that people are aware that Medicaid is not an impoverishment program for a couple if you know what the rules are. So one other thing I think it's important to share with you, that if the person, the community spouse, the well spouse dies before the Medicaid spouse, which sometimes happens, really important that all the assets had been transferred into the name of the community spouse, and that the community spouse has a will with the supplemental needs trust. Remember, with the supplemental needs trust, on death, any assets in that trust are not counted by Medicaid. So by having the right kind of estate planning in place, the couple not only gets the ill spouse on Medicaid, but make sure that they're not bumped off of Medicaid should the community spouse die first.